Hi everyone, this is Arpit Mehra. Welcome to Algo-Investing. We will discuss all the subscription. Subscription basically fits to your needs. You have to purchase according to that. Okay, so let's discuss. So this is the subscription page. You have to go here. Uh, Basically, we have three type of subscription. First one is Ignite, second one is Momentum, and third one is Apex. Feature in all three subscription are different and according to users need. So Ignite subscription you can purchase in 99 rupee per month, and Momentum you can purchase 199 per month, and Apex 299 per month. But if you want to save your money, so you can go to for annual subscription. For annual subscription, you will cost around 995 per year for Ignite, and 1995 per year for Momentum, and for Apex you will charge 2995 per year. So let's discuss the feature of all these three subscriptions. So first of all, we will discuss the feature of Ignite subscription. So in Ignite subscription, you will get a 20 backtest strategy per day. So means you can go this page and type your company. Let's suppose I'm searching for Mesdoc. You can go here and choose your duration. I'm selecting for from 1st of January 2025 to today. So you can see you can basically the all data has been fetched. So you can go here, and if you can choose the parameter and the strategy here and type run. After that, if you will go below, then you will check that EMA crossover strategy applied on this stock, and your simulation capital for 20,000 and current value is 23,764, and current profit is 3,764. So this is your one backtest strategy. So like that you can do 20 backtest strategy per day, and you can monitor up to 20 selected stocks. So you can, if you want to monitor any stock particular, you can go in watch list section. You can go here and apply, like let's suppose I am doing Mesdoc builder. This platform will show you the current rating of the Mesdoc, like ROCE. So here you can select the strategy. So let's suppose I want to choose EMA crossover for future, and you can select the parameter according to you. You can customize that. Let's suppose you want to check and watch this company for 20,000 rupees, and this is all simulation, not real. You can change anything. Let's suppose I want to monitor this stock for for next 1 year, so you can add stock. So now this stock has been added to your watch list. So now whenever a signal will be generated, it will mail you will get the signal from your mail. So like that you can monitor up to 20 you can monitor up to 20 stocks in Ignite. Email based notification, you will get the notification on your mail whenever any entry or exit signals uh, uh, comes to these stocks. What you will not get in this subscription, you will not get extended market coverage. What is extended market coverage? And want to monitor all these like top 25, and in the current batch is top 175 stocks. So you will not get that you will not get that companies in Ignite subscription. What is advanced filtering? Advanced analytical filter. In advanced analytical filter means, if in any stock we will do the back testing, and we will give you only that stocks which perform well in the past. So we will do the back testing. According to that, we will filter the company which performed well in the past, and we will send notification according to that to you. Strategy parameter customization. In future, let's suppose in top 25 to 175 companies you want to customize the parameters, so you will miss that in Ignite subscription. But in Momentum you will get up to 20 strategy backtesting per day. You can backtest 50 strategies. You can monitor 50 selected stocks. Extended market coverage means According to the current batch of the Sagar sir, you will get the notification of that top 250, top 175 companies. You will get the email based alert, advanced analytical filter. You will go to the mail based on the advanced analytical filter. Means before sending your mail, you will our algorithms will find that companies which performed well in the past, and then after you will go to the mail. You will never get the mail from that company which didn't perform well in the past. Strategy parameter customization you will get the priority support. Let's suppose if you have some any query related to these algorithms. Let's suppose you want to do any suggestion, you want your customized strategies, so you can contact us and we will listen to you and try to make any customized strategy for you if you want. Hmm. So basically these three feature: advanced analytical filter, strategy parameter customization, and priority support, you will not get in momentum, but in Apex all these feature you will get. So Apex is beneficial for you if you want to customize your strategies in future according to your needs. If you want any advanced analytical feature which we are developing and we are sending the mail, mm, so this is depend on all your needs. So I think if you are a early investor, so you should choose momentum, because in momentum you will get the good companies to monitor. Basically in Ignite you will miss that, so it may not be the beneficial for you. But let suppose if you have your customized list, so then you can go to Ignite. But the limitation is up to 20 stocks only. But if you want current batch stocks to monitor, then you can go for Apex. If you want to change and customize the strategies, you can go to Apex. If you want priority support, then you can go to Apex. So this is the feature of all these three subscription. I think hope you find it well. So thank you. So choose your subscription according to your needs.